this is just in for Ripple. Southeast Asia's largest bank, DBS, valued billions. It valued Ripple at billions. So it's valued at 11.3 billion, and that is 1/10 of market cap. And I think they're very humble about it. Why? Because usually when you do that, you value just a small portion of it. You don't value really the assets you own. You value what you own as a company. So smash that like button if you guys haven't already. If this IPO window holds for 2026, so IPO is initial public offering. This means that Ripple could enter a stock market, and this would be an absolutely incredible thing. And this is huge. Why? Because people can buy Ripple not through crypto, which is like maybe what 1% of US holders do. It could turn into IPO for stock for what 90% or 70% or 50% hold. So that's 50% of extra buyers in the US that could potentially buy Ripple. Just let that sink in. That's a lot of money. And that's why I believe in Ripple. So they're cooking something for real. If the IPO, so just like Coinbase, a lot of people, they don't buy Coinbase coin, they buy the Coinbase stock. And when crypto goes up, they are happy that Coinbase stock went up and they're holding very large amounts. If the IPO windows holds for 2026, this could be one of the most watched public listings in crypto history. So no official confirmation from DBS itself. I guess it's like could be private, so take it or with a grain of salt. First, the XRP SEC issue was resolved, and I am really excited for that. So look at how many Twitter check marks. I still haven't got my Twitter check mark, but I will be linking my social media links in the description. And I think this is very exciting news. So I think, the thing with Ripple right now, it's becoming really a meme plane. It's becoming like a meme token type of community, but with actual utility behind it. The issue with meme tokens right now is people didn't want to buy them because they were just, I guess, no utility. Like we saw, we got burned with Shiba Inu. It really had everything that it was made before. It created nothing new. It created a video game. Who needed a video game? It created a blockchain. Why would you compete with layer 2, which is super competitive? And I think that's an important factor, is that this being valued at 11 billion. So if they sold this company right now with its employees, not like how much the crypto XRP is worth, this would be absolutely incredible news. Again, take it with a grain of salt because DBS hasn't confirmed yet, and you can always follow me on my Twitter for more Ripple updates. Ripple doesn't care about going public and probably won't happen. At the closest, it will get a federal entity under the treasury. I think it's actually a very good possibility because IPOs usually make tons of money. From crypto joke to $1 billion IPO. I mean, it was never a crypto joke. But while half of you all still chase 400 for overdrafting Starbucks. So Ripple can be very profitable when they sell no-use XRP tokens. So right now they have no use. Not much. But the amount of partnerships they have. This is how like the markets work. First, it's worth nothing, right? And I think that's a very important factor. But once you have a set amount of like partnerships, utility, work behind it, people and investors start coming in. And when they start coming in, they're going to be very happy overall. So just let that sink in, that Ripple IPO or on the stock market would be very nice. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll keep you guys updated.